If you're using a 40 series GPU and stream on YouTube, you're probably using the wrong settings in 2025. Let's jump straight in and improve your streaming quality. Okay, so we're inside OBS now. We want to go to our bottom right hand corner and click Settings, Video, and now our base canvas needs to be set to our monitor resolution. So I'm on a 1440p monitor. If you're on a 1080p, set this at 1080p. Then our output, for me, I've matched it, and we want to keep it on a 1440 as YouTube gives a better compression rate to a 1440 video. So if you set this top base canvas to 1080, you need to output to a 1440, and then in the scaling we can change this to Lancos. That'll give the best compression rate, and then you can upload 1440 to YouTube. In my case, I just need to keep them both the same and no changes to this. And the frame output FPS needs to be 60. Onto the main settings now. So we're going to go to the output tab. We're going to change the output mode to advanced to open up all these extra settings. Make sure we're on the streaming tab. Encoder to ACC. And then video encoder, this is the key one, so we want to be on NVENC AV1. AV1 is the latest codec. It is utilised on YouTube, and it gives you a 40% compression rate, allowing you to set better bitrate and therefore giving you better quality, and uses less PC performance. So we want to set this to AV1, not H.264. H.264 is good, but it's mainly used on Twitch at the moment because Twitch aren't supporting AV1. So again, this is a YouTube video and we're going to use AV1 because AV1 and YouTube work really well. So moving on, don't need to change this because we've already done it in our video settings earlier. Our constant bitrate, our control rate should be constant bitrate, and then our bitrate. Now this, you need to do a speed check of your broadband and take note of your upload speed. So I have a fast internet connection. What you want to do is take your upload speed, half it, and if you haven't got a lot of traffic in your house, you could use that figure as your bitrate. As I have a very busy household with a lot of people on the internet, I've lowered mine to a quarter of my upload speed. Still gives great quality, so this is a personal choice based on your circumstances. So half it, your upload speed, or go for a quarter. Bearing in mind, because we're using AV1, we can put higher bitrate speeds. If you was on Twitch or streaming to Twitch, you would only be able to go to 6,000. And your keyframes to 2. This preset, you can put anywhere from 5, 6 or 7 depending on your PC, so have a play around. If it's a bit choppy, drop it down. I'm able to run on P7. Tuning, high quality. 2-pass, quarter resolution. Profile is main. Uncheck, look ahead. And we have adaptive check. B-frames are set to 2. Disabled auto. Now that should give you decent quality. Hope this helps and you consider subscribing to the channel and give us a thumbs up. I stream sim racing most weeks and your support is very grateful. Please check out the rest of the channel and I'll leave you with a small example from a live stream. Thanks for watching.
Green, green, green. You got a slow car on the left. You got a slow car on the left. Right side. You're on the left, 3 wide. Car right, 2 wide. Stay on the left, clear on the right.